Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is percentage. This is the 10th lesson of Foundation Mathematics book. Now, what is a percentage? Percentage is a ratio of a number to 100. Okay, this percent. The word percent means per cent. Cent is what? 100. So, per 100. Understood? Per cent means per 100, and the symbol that we use to indicate a percentage is this. We indicate the symbol by this. Okay. Now if I write 18%, I mean 18 out of 100, that is equal to 18 by 100 is 1800th. 6% means 6%, 6 out of 100. Okay, 6 out of 100 means 6 by 100, that is 600th. When we talk about your marks, okay, when we mean that you have scored 85% in exam, that means what? You have scored 85 marks out of 100 in the exam. Understood? Clear? So now if we convert a percentage into a fraction, how do we do it? When we convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100. When we divide a percentage, given percentage by 100, we remove this percentage sign. 5% is equal to what? That is equal to 5 by 100. So when I have written 5 by 100, then I have removed this percentage sign is removed. Okay. Now this both lie in the multiple of 5. So 5 one time will go and 5 20. So this can be written as 1 by 20. Okay. When we convert a percentage into a fraction, you should always try to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. 16% is 16 by 100, 85% is 85 by 100. These fractions I have reduced it to lowest term over here. 16%, 16 by 100. 4 4s are 16 and 4 25s are 100, that is 4 by 25. Similarly, 85 by 100, 5 17s are 85 and 5 20s are 100. So this is 17 by 20. Okay. This fraction, this can be also written as ratio. Percentage, we have converted percentage into a fraction. Then we are converting this percentage as a ratio. We are expressing the percentage as ratio. 5% means 5 by 100. We reduced it to lowest term. This became 1 by 20. So this 1 by 20, you can write it as 1:20. Clear? 16%, 16 by 100. 16 by 100 is how much? 4 by 25 is 4:25. To express this as a decimal, we will not convert these fractions, will not bring down these fractions to the lowest term. We will simply leave it as 5 by 100. See, the denominator has 2 zeros, so we will move 2 places from the digit towards the left and give a decimal point. When I move 2 places, this is 1 and 2. So for this place, I have put a 0 and the decimal point should come up over here. Okay. So it is 0.05. 16% is 16 by 100. 2 0 over here. 2 places, decimals we will shift. So towards the left. So this is 0.16. Next is to convert a fraction or a decimal into percentage. Previously what we did, we converted a percentage to a fraction and decimal. When we converted a percentage to fraction or decimal, we divided by 100. Now here, when we are converting a fraction or a decimal into percentage, we have to multiply it by 100. So first we will learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. Let us take 1 by 8 as the fraction. So 1 by 8, what I have written, multiply it by 100. So into 100 you will do. Okay, when you are multiplying it by 100, you will put the whole thing inside the bracket and give the percentage sign. Okay, otherwise this will be wrong. You have to put the whole thing inside the bracket. Once multiplied by 100 means you are converting into a percentage. So you will put the whole thing inside the bracket and give the percentage sign. So this is 25. 4 2s are 8, 4 25s are 100. So this is 25 by 2%. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction can be written as 12 1 by 2%. Here I have mentioned, see, when we multiply by 100, then we put the whole thing inside the bracket and give the percentage sign. The whole thing is put inside the bracket and a percentage sign is given. Now we are going to convert a decimal into a percentage. So decimal into percentage. Let us take this decimal 0.08. This is equal to convert decimal into percentage, similarly anything we need to convert to a percentage, we multiply it by 100 and put the whole thing inside the bracket and give a percentage sign. So this is 0.08 into 100. So decimal point will shift where? We are multiplying, so decimal point will shift towards the right. So this is 8%. 2 places 20, 2 places it will shift, and this is 8%. 0.5 is 0.5 into 100%. This is, the decimal point will shift to 2 places, that will become 50%. Okay, look here, 0.5 into 100. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Okay. How many decimal point we are having? We are having 1 decimal point. So leave 1 digit and give a decimal point. Then what answer you are getting? You are getting 50. So this is 50%. 3.6 into 100. So 3.6 into 100 is, decimal point will shift to 2 places, and here nothing is there, means we will put a 0 over here. So it will become 360%. So what we learned? We learned that to convert a percentage into fraction, decimal or ratio. To convert a percentage into fraction, decimal or ratio, what we do? We divide it by 100. Okay, and remove the percentage sign. Then next thing we studied is to convert a fraction or a decimal to percentage multiply it by 100 and give the percentage sign. Okay, here we are removing the percentage sign, dividing it by 100. When we are multiplying it by 100, we are giving the percentage sign. I hope you all have understood percentage properly.